Well, I'd love to know if you've run into any serious landmines or any applications that you just have not been able to archive for whatever reason. Either their data structure was, say, cache, and data was not easily extractable, or for any other reason. Either of you, Chuck or Saad, if you
Chuck,
want to
let's
take.
start with you.
Yeah, I've got a couple actually I'm looking at right now. They're over. We actually have, should have mentioned in my intro, we have a company called Hometown Health. We actually have an insurance product. And from a payer perspective, there's a lot of kind of old applications there. We're actually putting in some new stuff now with Salesforce and Tapestry with Epic, but there's some really, and we haven't dug in enough yet, but these are systems that were running in 2003, 2004. And just in looking at some of the data structures, I think it's going to be a big challenge for us. So there's some of that stuff around.
Saad?
Usually we've had that. So we've had a few instances where it was a very unique, or in one instance actually a custom developed app. So they just that specific clinic just went out to a custom developer and said, just make us a registration type app, and they kept adding to it. In those cases, it basically required another custom developer to get that data to be ready to be archived. But the end result, whenever any CIO hits this roadblock, is to just keep an instance of that EHR or app running on a small fenced off server somewhere. And that's an issue when the organization gets large enough, or if the organization in itself is already very large, because then you have to care and feed so many different archive instances of that application running somewhere, keep them updated, keep their OS updated, all that stuff. So we run into issued landmines, and then you basically end up creating something that may become a landmine later on from another perspective.